Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. Today we're going to talk about, should you hodl to zero? Okay, we're going to talk about that. We're also going to talk about the charts, right? Give you guys some updates on those cryptocurrency charts. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button, and I'm going to tell you a reason to hit that subscribe button, okay? I know 90% or more people that's, 90% or more are suffering because of this bear market. All right. If you're watching my channel right now, I can probably almost guarantee you are suffering. Okay. Well, guess what? I have some good news for you. You don't have to suffer. I specialize in making money during the bull market and the bear market. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button, because me, my students, and people that know how to make money during the bear market, we actually profit from this slaughter, right? Like, a lot of people are freaking out, but we are not. We don't freak out, okay? Because we understand how to make money even if the market is going down. If you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. I always focus on the chart, because the news is just, that's what it is, just news. All right, it's not going to put money in my pocket. So let's get this party started today. We're going to talk about a lot of stuff during this live stream. Of course, this is not financial advice. This is entertainment only, guys. And shout out to everybody that's coming in. If you're watching that replay, you can actually hit the settings button, hit speed 1.5 or 2, and you can actually speed up the replay. So shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see if I can get. Let's pop out this live stream. This chat box real quick, and we're gonna get to these guys' questions. Of course, we're gonna get to you guys' questions. I'm gonna shout you guys out later, but let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. Okay, let's get it. And so while we wait for more people to come in. Shout out to everybody that's coming in on a Saturday. It's actually 7:30 p.m. where I'm at. I'm on the East Coast. Okay, so shout out to everybody that's coming through. It is the winter time, so I'm guessing on a Saturday, not too many people is going to come in. I mean, not too many people is going to be outside. So I say, hey, why not? Let's do this live stream. So let's go to CoinMarketCap right now, 52.5. Right, the dominance is 52.5. Market cap is at 120. Okay. And really nothing's going on right now. Okay, we're going to go to the charts later, but basically we are waiting for the market to approach. Well, I'm waiting for the market to approach that $100 billion mark once again, right? And we're going to go from there. Okay, so let's go to these charts real quick, guys. Let's go to the charts real quick. Let's go to that 4-hour. This is Bitcoin we're talking about right now. Okay. Meanwhile, we talking. The market is dropping a little bit. So let's go to this chart right quick. Okay. A lot of people, a lot of rookies, a lot of people that don't know anything about the charts. These guys will tell you that technical analysis doesn't work in the crypto market. But these are the same people that's losing money every single day. All right. These are the same people that's losing money every single day. So that's why they are saying things like that. All right. Once you understand technical analysis, okay, then you can understand how the market moves. So last time we talked about this Bitcoin chart, right? This information wasn't here. So basically, all you see right here, that's what we saw on the chart. Okay, that's it. And what I said, guys, okay, I specifically said, right? Just go back to my other video. Okay, I said that most likely we are forming a channel. Okay, and we can actually go up and hit this channel, the back of the channel, and go right back down. Okay, just go back to my last video, right? You will see. And guess what, guys? What we did right here. Okay. We went to the channel. Okay, we extend this out. We went back to the channel, and guess what? We sold off. So all you guys that talk about technical analysis doesn't work, you guys are lazy, and you're giving yourself, or you're used to I'll put it like this: you're trying to make yourself feel good because you don't understand it. All right, so you will come up with all these excuses why this doesn't work or blah blah blah. It's because you don't understand it. So right now, what we're looking at is a flag, right? And it looks like we selling off a little bit. So what I'm waiting for, guys, and I'm just waiting for this market to roll over, right? Because right now, if you look at this this picture right here, it really doesn't look like any type of bullish setup, right? It looks like the bears want to continue to go down, okay? It looks like we most likely will continue to go down back to the 3,200. The way it really looks, it looks like these guys did a quick pump before Christmas, and they just wanted to hold this market up, okay, for a good month. That's what it looks like. It looks like they want to hold it up just to get people happy, okay, just to get people happy, and I can actually see it. I can see it from, you know, I can see it through the comments and people today that's basically falling for this nonsense, right? You can tell the way, you know, these guys are talking nowadays. This hold up right here is getting people happy. All right, a lot of people are getting happy based on this move. But anyway, guys, if you can really read this, it's basically telling you that we're going down, we consolidate, we breaking this flag, consolidate, breaking flag, consolidate, and most likely we probably going to break this flag. So you just have to learn how to read the charts, have to be patient, and not look at the smaller picture, but look at the bigger picture. The bigger picture will always be right until they decide to change the bigger picture. The bigger picture is very simple, guys. We are pointing down, okay? That's the bigger picture. I don't care about anything else. Anything else, right? If you guys have any questions, you can type it in. If you're new to my channel, you can hit that subscribe button, because over here, I only tell you the facts. I don't try to hype things up. All right? Hype things up for what? What's that going to do for you? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So, right now, they're just chopping around, guys. Chopping around, but if you can see through the chop, you can understand that this doesn't look bullish. And, you know, we just have to wait. Just have to wait. Now, these guys could do something sneaky, and we talked about this before. They can do something sneaky and push the market up, but I don't really think that they want to push the market up right now. I think they just want to continue to go down. Okay, you just got to be patient. Let's go to these questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you guys have any questions, actually, let's go to these other charts real quick. If I see anything, Litecoin, a nice bearish bar. Yeah, that's another thing I want to talk about, guys. Another thing I want to talk about. Let's go back to BTC, right? This bar, guys. Let's zoom in a little bit. There's nothing bullish about this bar right here. You know, you have to remember this bar right here was a green bar, guys. Okay. Depending on what time you saw this bar was all the way up to here, right? Remember, it was all the way up to here. Now it went all the way back down and closed in the red. Okay, that's not bullish at all. It was green. It was all the way up here, green. Then it went all the way back down. So let's keep that in mind. Nothing bullish about anything right now. Litecoin is following Bitcoin right now. TRX actually decided to do the opposite, right? They didn't sell off. They actually had a nice little pop. So we will see if TRX can actually break above this resistance, because we all know that in this past this zone has been resistance. Let's see here. Let's look at BCH. I mean Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash looks real ugly. It looks like it's ready to pop. to the downside, guys, it looks real ugly. I mean, this looks disgusting, okay? I mean, if you know anything about this reading the charts, guys, this is like, I mean, they can do a quick move up just to stop people out, but this looks weak. Just looks like continuation. That's all it looks like, all right? They could do, like I said, they could do a quick pop up just to go right back down, but all it is to me is just continuation. That's what I'm looking at right now, all right? What else? Cardano, same thing, looks weak. It broke out, pulled back to the breakout, and now it's going right back down. So, you know, you just got to be careful, guys. You just got to be careful. You can't get too excited. Ethereum looks real weak. Ethereum just can't even, you know, actually Ethereum, I mean, just, you know, just been going down. They've been trending down. So that definitely looks weak. We're just waiting for this big blast, because it looks like, you know, the market wants to do a blast. So we're just waiting for that blast, okay? It could be to the upside or downside, but right now it's been looking bearish. So I'm sticking to the bearish side. Let's go to XRP real quick. Let me see XRP. And XRP still looks weak. We are at these lows right here, and still looks weak. All right, so basically, guys, let's go to your guys' questions. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I have 11 years of experience. This is what I do full time. And you know, if you have any questions, if you're tired of losing, tired of seeing your portfolio down, you know, shoot your questions. I know it's a Saturday, so I don't know how many people are going to show up, but you know, let's get it. Let's get it. We can make this quick if we want to. We can make this quick. No problem with me. Dial line, what's going on? All right, Peter, Ahmed, Jefford, who else? Dan. About to break down. Yeah, it looks kind of suspect. But they definitely doing a good job. They doing a good job, you know, holding this market up. They are definitely doing a good job holding this market up. Okay, so we will see. Okay, they might decide to wait to Monday, so we will see. Actually, let's look at this on the weekly chart. They definitely doing a good job though. You know, like these wells, man. These wells know how to, you know how to trick you. So the weekly chart still looks weak. I mean, most likely, if we do decide to do anything, most likely it's going to probably be next week. So you know, be careful. All right. So let's go back to these guys' questions. If you guys have any questions, let's go back to it, and let's go from there. You say you at work? Okay. Shout out to you, Donline. Yes. Shout out to you, man. What's going on, James Superior? Superior said making at least 150 a day. Thanks to you, man. Shout out to you. Superior, what are you trading? You trading crypto, or you trading a different market? You trading Forex or what? Do you think Tron TRX is going to stay moving up? I doubt it. You know, do they have something going on? Does TRX have something going on? Is it news or something like that? What's going on? Quick shot. What's going on, AZ? MK? No more bull markets. Swazza learning TA sacrifice, hard work. Yes, these guys are not prepared for that, man. Okay, we live in the culture of instant gratification. Yes, They want that instant gratification. They think they're going to be millionaires next year. Okay. Most guys think they're going to be millionaires next year because they think the bull market is coming next year, and they're rubbing their hands together right now. And most guys don't want to put that work in. So you're right, Swazzer. Edward Park, what's going on, Edward? How you doing? What do you think about the hot BTC? What are you talking about? HOT versus BTC pumping? Is that on TradingView? I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. You said it's pumping. I don't know what you're talking about. I really don't know what you're talking about. I don't see pumping. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong chart. I don't know. So you said, what do you know about hyperwaves? I don't know nothing about hyperwaves. I heard about that guy. I think he's an older guy, and I think he said something about $1,000 Bitcoin, if I'm not mistaken. Is the hyperwave an indicator? Okay, is it an indicator? Let me know. Is it an indicator or is it a strategy? Let me know. Shout to Swazzer. He gave me that $5 super chat. Big Ben speaks the truth. It's the most authentic person I've ever seen on YouTube. Buy his classes if you want to be free. He's the real deal, man. Thanks a lot, bro. Swazzer is actually one of my students. Appreciate that, man. Definitely appreciate that. Hey, John. James said it was 8 degrees this morning. Sheesh. Man. 8 degrees, man. I do not miss that weather at all. At all. I'm actually going back to New York a couple of weeks from now. And I really don't want to go, but I got to go because I got to visit my mom's. But sheesh, I don't miss that cold weather. So, Matt, is hyperwaves an indicator? Or is it a strategy? All right. So shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. I appreciate everybody. Right. Someone actually emailed me yesterday. I think it was yesterday. And basically he asked me, he said, can you check out some video? Right. And basically the video was about XRP breaking out. Okay, it was about XRP breaking out. So let's go to XRP real quick. He wanted me to talk about the video and how I felt about it. Well, basically, the guy was saying that we are having the same formation back in I guess, what is it, 2017 when we broke out. Okay. And the person that emailed me want to hear my thoughts. Let's see if I get a different XRP. Let me see. Just give me a second. Trying to get a better chart. That shows the breakout better. But it doesn't matter. Okay, basically he's talking about this breakout right here. All right, let me zoom in a little bit. This breakout right here, he's basically saying that it looks the same, right, as this breakout right here. He said because we have higher highs, higher lows. The only problem with that is we basically are going down, okay? The momentum is to the downside. Okay. So you can't really go by this at all. The momentum is to the downside, and we was in a bullish market in 2017. So you really can't basically look at this at all. When we're in a bullish market, when we're in a bearish market, you really can't expect the market to break out and just continue to go up like that. Okay, you really have to understand how these bear markets, how they work. All right, there's a lot of flatlining before we do anything. It could break out, and it could do like a fake breakout where it just breaks out a little bit and just to go right back down. That could happen, but I'm looking more to the downside because honestly, the market has been bearish so long that you have to go with the major trend. So you guys have to be careful who you listen to. You have to understand that, the people that you listen to, these guys been wrong, all right? Last year, the whole year, and most likely these guys are going to be wrong this year, all right? So it's just another way to keep you hoping and, keep you hype, keep you in the game. All right. But honestly, this looks very bearish to me. And that's it. It's actually looking real scary, because if we decide to break out of this, okay, this could be a crazy break to the downside. Okay. You definitely don't want to be into that. All right. So let's go to these guys' questions. Then we go from there. Matt, you don't have to post a link, Matt. All I'm asking you, Matt, is hyperwave a strategy, or is it an indicator, or what is it? That's all I need to know. All right. All right. So Lance, like I said, Lance, I don't know what you talk about. You have to send me a picture, Lance. So email me, send me a picture. I really don't understand your question. You said you wondering why it's keep pumping, going to pump. You wondering if it's going to keep pumping. Right now, any crypto that's going up, if the market keeps going down, most likely it's not going to keep pumping. It does. Maybe it pumps a little bit. Shout out to you. I can't really pronounce your name. You said you're from Germany. Shout out to you, bro. All right, so guys, if you have any questions, type it in. All right, if you don't, hit that subscribe button, because over here, guys, we are professionals. We don't follow the hype. We don't care about that stuff, because lately, what I've been hearing, right? Lately, I've been hearing that we are close to the bottom. We are close to the bottom, or we're getting closer to the bottom. That's what I've been hearing lately. Okay. Hey guys, we're getting close to the bottom. So if you've been around this long, that means that you're gonna see the rewards, guys. You're just gonna you made it. If you're here this long, you made it. This is what I've been hearing lately. First of all, how do you know we are close to the bottom? Second of all, why should I listen to you and you've been wrong the whole year? All right. No one knows the bottom. And this is why I told you guys, I believe Bitcoin can go so low to the point where, it scares a lot of people. It's going to scare a lot of people, because people are still bullish right now. Too bullish, actually. I don't think really no one is scared right now. Honestly, guys. Okay. If you go look at anybody, any crypto YouTuber, look at his face, okay? I don't think no one is scared right now. Anybody. Until then, I can't see any bottom right now. Now, the question of the day is, should you hodl to zero? Okay? Because I'm hearing this too. I'm hearing a lot of people saying hodl to zero, guys. Guys, listen, let me tell you this. Okay, let me tell you this. All right, if you please listen to this. If you hodl to zero, bro, you are absolutely, shame on you. Put it like that. Shame on you. Okay. Especially if you have kids. Okay. If you have kids to feed and you screaming hodl to zero, shame on you, bro. Shame on you. You are losing money and taking money from, your kids just because you want to be down with the crypto gang and saying hodl to zero. Are you kidding me? Most people are playing the poor strategy, right? Most people are playing the poor strategy, but they want to get rich. How can you do that? How can you play a poor strategy and get rich at the same time, right? You might get lucky once or twice, but your luck is going to run out. The same way a lot of people in 2017, they got lucky, right? A lot of people in 2017 got lucky. Guys, if you're screaming hodl to zero, please change your strategy, because you have a poor mentality, okay? If you buy, cross your fingers and hope, that's a poor mentality, okay? That's why a lot of people get upset with me when I say, it looks like the market will continue to go down. It's because these guys are uneducated when it comes to the financial markets, and they freak out because they don't know what they're doing, okay? Don't you notice the people, let's say that, something's going on, right? Don't you know the people that freaks out are the people that don't know don't know the situation, and they don't know what they're doing? The people that stay calm, right, are the ones that understand the situation. They can see it. They've been through it before. And they know how to navigate through that situation. It's always the poor people or the uneducated people that freaks out. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh. So all you guys that screaming HODL to zero, guys, you are better than that. All right, you are better than that, right? What's the point of living? Okay, what's the point of living and you want to just be average, right? What's the point of living if you want to be average? Stop being average. Step up your game. Stop being lazy. Stop giving yourself excuses. Stop complaining. Stop saying, oh, this doesn't work just because you can't figure it out. How about you study or learn from the right people, okay? Stop giving yourself excuses. You've been giving yourself excuses your whole life. Learn how things work. Because I'm telling you right now, guys, it's going to come to a point where this economy is so bad that it's going to be very hard for a poor person, even the middle class. It's going to be very hard for them to make money, right? Most people don't understand this. It's going to get so bad that the rules is just going to be basically, set for the rich, and the poor people are just going to have a hard time getting out of their situation. So that's why you have to learn how to make money and create money making skills right now, because when this time, when things get bad, bro, you don't want to be left behind, because these guys are going to regulate a lot of stuff. Anyway, so please, if you're saying HODL to zero, chill with that nonsense. Okay, let those crazy guys on YouTube say that. Don't even entertain that. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you don't know how to make money now, hit that subscribe button. Right? That's what I specialize in, making money now. I do this full time. Skull, I don't know if you asked me that before. Skull asked me what's my top 5 coins. I don't know if you asked me that before, because I remember seeing that question. Skull, I don't have a top 5. All right, this is not the NBA. All right, this is not the NBA where I have a top 5. I don't have a top 5 anything. Okay, I specialize in making money now. So that simply means that I don't care about any crypto to the point where I'm marrying the crypto. Okay, if I had a top 5, that means that I have some type of connection to it. I don't have a connection to no crypto, no stock, no commodity, no currency, no nothing. Okay? If you want to master life, the art of mastering life, okay, guys, you have to learn how to master life. Okay? And one of the things you have to know how to master life, one of the things you have to learn how to master is not to get attached to things. All right, you can't get too attached to anything. I don't have a top 5. Only reason why I don't have a top 5, because I know that this is all a game. Okay. The only reason why I will have a top 5, that means that my money is parked into that top 5, and I'm thinking that this top 5 is going to do good in the future. Well, I don't base my strategy. My strategy is not based on that. Okay. My strategy is not based on parking my money into a stock or a coin and saying that these are the best top 5 coins in the market. The reason why that's not based on my strategy because that doesn't allow me to build cash flow, right? That's all I'm into, right? That's all I'm into, cash flow. See, most of you guys are playing the wrong game. Most of you guys are playing the wrong game, okay? I had to learn from the rich. Guys, the rich do not, they don't care about long-term holds. Yes, they have long-term holds, but I can guarantee you, it's only a small percentage of what they do. It's only a tiny little bit, okay? Most of their money come from different vehicles that bring them cash flow weekly, daily, monthly. Okay, that's all I'm into. And buy and hold doesn't allow me to do that. It doesn't allow me to bring that instant cash flow in. Okay, if you don't have $10 million in the bank right now, you shouldn't be buying and holding right now. Okay. Yes, you might get lucky here and there because most people say, well, what about the people that bought Bitcoin back in 2009 or 2010, 2011, right? Yes, you might get lucky once in the blue. But first of all, you have to understand that this market is still unregulated. So you can't expect an unregulated market like this to continue to go up. Okay. And I really don't want to get into that today because that's just a whole new, another, episode. But I'd rather focus on making my money now. So I don't have a top 5. Okay. Let's go back to these questions. What price should I get in? Okay. Skull. Like I said, once again, I don't know if you're new to my channel. Okay. If you are, hit that subscribe button. Okay. You basically, the words that you're using, it sounds like you're looking to buy. Okay. And what I'm basically trying to tell you that the market, the charts is not telling me to buy anything right now. Right. Nothing on this chart is telling me, hey man, buy. Let the chart tell you when to buy. Let the chart give you confirmation. Okay. Do not buy when the chart is just going down. So wait for confirmation. And then you can think about buying. This whole bear market, the chart never gave us any type of confirmation yet. That's why when people say we close to the bottom, I just shake my head. These are the same people that said that last year. Some people have short-term memories where they forget that these are the same people that said this last year. Screaming the bottom. Okay, guys, this is the bottom. Now they're saying, well, guys, the bottom is close. And I knew they was going to play that game. I knew that these guys were going to play that game. And then guess what? When we keep on going down, next year they're going to say, guys, okay, you know what? Last year, 2019, we kept going down, but I can guarantee you this year it has to be the bottom. They're going to keep on playing that game until they're going to just give up. You said, can you give a quick look at Waves USD? What is that? What's Waves? That's a USD. I don't know if I got the right chart. Let's see here. You said give my opinion. Honestly, it's just you have this line right here, okay? And basically, if you notice, we went up and we are going back down right now. Okay, so all I see is just continuation to the downside until they give us a sign that we're going up. All I see is weakness. So basically, if you look at the past, right, this thing shot up, went back down, shot up, went back down, and guess what? Shot up. It's looking like it's going right back down. So right now, right now the chart is looking weak. Let me see what's going on, Sean. Yeah, I don't know what's this guy doing, but you can kick him out. What is he saying? Anything? What's going on with this guy? What he said? I don't know what's going on with this guy, but I think he was posting a link, right? So we could kick him out. You could kick him out if he was acting up. Kick that guy out. Let me see what else. What's going on, Vinny? You said you just got on. Shout out to you. James said, "Don't play with your family's money." Exactly. Fear is based on ignorance, uncertainty. Yes. Oh yeah. If you don't have my course by now, check it out right now. This price is the live stream price, $150. That's a discount price. The original price is $300. So take advantage of that. Once I get off of the live stream, it goes right back to $300. So if you don't have my course by now, check it out. Comes with a Discord room. Okay, comes with a Discord room. You can talk to me, my students. Right? If you don't know how to make money during this bear market, that's the course for you. It shows you how to make money in a bear and a bull market, the best of both worlds. If you have any more questions, you can ask or email me or type it in right now. Jay Constant said, "What's my top 3 coins?" I don't know if you're trolling. What's going on, Jay? You trolling? What's going on, Dom? Yeah, so yeah, so guys, if you have any questions, let me know. All right. Matt said photo of the hyperwave pattern. So I don't know what's a hyperwave pattern. I don't know anything about the hyperwave pattern, Matt. Really don't. Okay. I don't know if it's good or not. Really, I don't know if it's good or not. I can't really, all I know is I do this full time. I don't know if that guy, trades full time, invests full time. That's the difference. Okay? That's the difference between me and these guys. They can talk good, right? They can have a nice conversation. They might sound smart, but I don't think these guys are doing it full time. All right, so basically, if you guys have any more questions, you can type it in. But if not, we can cut this short. Shout out to everybody that's here. I hope you guys are having a good weekend so far. And hope you guys are studying. Okay. Hope you guys are using your time wisely. I hope so. But please do not HODL to zero. That's the worst thing to do. Okay. And another thing you probably should do is just study how the market works. Okay. So you don't have to HODL to zero. So you don't have to suffer. So you don't have to depend on the news and back and the ETFs. so you don't have to depend on XRP YouTubers telling you we're gonna have a bull market, and they've been telling you this for 13 months straight. Once you learn how to read the market, you just have to depend on yourself. That's the beauty of it. Okay, this is what I'm trying to give you guys. All right, give you guys skills so you depend on yourself. You don't have to depend on anyone else, and you can make money regardless. Okay, you can make money regardless of what's going on. Okay, if the market is going up, you can make money. The market is going down, you can make money. The market is going sideways, you can still make money. Imagine that. Imagine having that type of power. But some of you guys are lazy, right? Some of you guys swear up and down that you are going to become a millionaire tomorrow. I mean, or next month or next year, because you think it's that easy. Well, you know, that's on you. Some of you guys wasted a whole year last year. You wasted the whole year. You can't get that back. 2018, you waste that year. The same guys that have been saying 6,000 at the bottom, you just waste that whole year. Okay? That whole year, instead of saying 6,000 at the bottom, instead of buying the dips, you should have just been learning the market, learning how the market works, how it moves, right? So you could be prepared for this year. But no, you're too lazy for that. So this year, you're gonna waste this year too. Looking at the market going down 2 years in a row, right? Just down the drain. 2 years that you can't get back. And you know, every single day you're asking the bottom. Tyler Jenks said hyperwave theory says BTC has a 99% chance going below 1,000. I don't think anything has that. Has a 99.9% chance. But what I will say is, I believe that the market will go below 1,000. Not because of the hyper wave, because how the bear markets are designed. Okay, they design these bear markets, especially if it's a lot of people, participating. It's designed to scare a lot of people out, squeeze a lot of people, make them bleed. Below 1,000 is a good number to make a lot of people panic. Okay. Vinny said the course is very good to all those considering. I'm on my job. Shout out to you, Vinny. Vinny's actually one of my students, right? Shout out to you. But yeah, I mean, I do see the market going below 1,000 just to scare people out. You know. Honestly, there's no reason why the market should turn bullish right now. Yes, the market could go up a little bit, right? But we've been seeing that, throughout the whole bear market. We've been seeing these pullbacks, so you should get used to these pullbacks, okay? It's just part of the market. But I'm talking about the main picture, the bigger picture, okay? It's still to the downside right now. So if you guys don't have any more questions, shout out to you guys. We can end this real quick. Of course, I want to look at the game, but I hope you guys are taking it serious. I hope I hope you don't think this is a video game or some type of hobby. Guys, this is a business, all right? If you really want to make money from this, if you really want to make consistent money, you have to treat it like a business. Right now, BTC is in this flag pattern. Okay, it looks like it's trying to break out of this flag pattern, all right? So we just have to wait. We just have to wait to see if it's want to push back down. Because I'm thinking if it goes back to this low right here, then most likely it will continue to go to 32. But we will see, okay? But all I see is just weakness. I see this market just going down, flagging up, going down, flagging. That's all I see. I mean, that's all I see. So just be careful buying the lows. Yes, we can shoot up right here, hit this resistance line, okay? There's a lot of resistance if we do shoot up. But like I said, you know, these guys are doing a great job holding this market up for a good month. Okay, they can actually hold it up for another month. Okay, which I don't think they want to do it at, but it's a possibility that they can actually hold it up for another month. So February could be another month where they drag this out. Okay, how I mean, only way they can probably do that if they do a fake move to the upside and then just chop around for the next month and then decide to drop it, okay? So yeah, they can just chop around for another month just to get your guys' hopes up. And you know, because honestly, if you really think about this, this is the from this drop right here, right? From this big drop, this was the biggest move to the upside. So honestly, this would be too obvious for a bottom, because it's, you know, it's just too obvious from that drop. So most likely they're gonna go right back down to stop these guys out. All right, so just be careful. Renko charts, yes, I heard about them. I don't use Renkos, but yeah, I heard about it. You hit those like buttons, hit the like button, guys. Peter said, I made money as soon as I bought Ben's course. Stop buying the dips. Yes. Shout out to Peter May, man. Shout out to you, bro. Stop buying the dips. Goodness gracious. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing money, hit that subscribe button, because what's gonna go on, guys, is just these guys are going to keep on saying we are close to the bottom, and they're going to, you know, get your hopes up. All I'm saying is, even if you do HODL, okay, you should have another strategy on the side so you can make money while you're HODLing, all right? And not only that, understand that these guys that's claiming that the bottom is here, understand that those guys don't know anything, okay? I'm not going to listen to a guy that's been wrong 13 months straight. Talk to you guys later. Let me give you guys a round of applause for stopping by. Let me do that real quick. Make sure you study these charts, improve, go to the next level, all right? Don't be that lazy guy that just watch TV, watch the news, watch YouTube videos and not do anything. You don't take any action, right? You have to take action. Talk to you guys later, and have a great weekend. Continue to have a great weekend, and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to this channel. Have a great night, guys.